how to make money on people per hour as a Google Ads specialist. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, People Per Hour is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills to the visitors of the platform. So for example, if I was looking for a Google Ads specialist, I will go to the search button in here, click on search freelancers, and then I'm going to type the skill or the freelancer that I'm looking for, which is a Google Ads specialist, and I'm going to click on enter. Then I'm going to go for all offers, and again there is a problem in the platform. Let's hit search, or let's just change this, click on the search. Let's go with Google Ads only, and here we will be able to see all of the profiles or the freelancers that are doing the Google Ads services. So here you can see all of these profiles and the money that they're getting paid hourly: $125, $35, $160, 65, 780, $260. So all of those profiles are making a lot of money from doing the skill that they master. So I'm going to show you how you can be amongst those profiles and making a lot of money yourself. So let's go back to the main page, and here click on the freelancer button in your top right. Then you will proceed to creating your account, and here make sure to use I want to work as a freelancer. Then click on sign up with email, and here you fill the usual information: your first name, last name, email, and password. Then you click on sign up. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to proceed with my email and my password as well. And then click on login. And as you can see here, you're almost ready to start selling. Please complete your application in order to join our community of the highest quality freelancers online. A solid application proves to us that you're serious about selling and gives our buyers confidence that you're a great fit for their needs. So here let's go with apply now. And as you can see, complete your profile to join our global community of freelancers and start selling your services to our growing network of businesses. So the first thing you're going to go with is your profile picture. So make sure to drop a decent profile picture with your face in it. Then you proceed to your job title. So here, for example, you have award-winning web developer, or we can just enter Google Ads specialist. Then you proceed to enter in your skills, and the maximum amount of skills that you can enter is 15. So make sure to use these spots wisely. So here let's go with Google. Well, here we have Google advertisement. Let's see what else we have: Google Analytics, spreadsheets, docs, AdWords, and Google search, ranking, applications, maps, Gmail, plus, Drive, shopping, search, development. And here let's go with, sorry, I deleted everything. Let's start again. Google advertisement, Google AdWords, and that's all. Then let's go with ads, Facebook advertisement, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, Google AdSense. Let's go for ads again. And here we have Bing advertisement, Twitter, WeChat, Google AdSense API, and that's it for the skills. Then you proceed to the description. So guys, describe yourself to buyers. So in order to enter a decent description for your profile, guys, what I like to do personally is go and check the other freelancers description, see what are they talking about in the description, how are they describing their skill, and all of that. So here, let's go to the search button in here, and let's go for search for freelancers, and enter the skill in here, and click on the search. Let's remove specialist, and here let's go for all offers. Let's remove specialist in order to see all of the offers. So here those are all of our competitors. Let's check their descriptions. Let's choose someone who gets paid a high hourly rate. So I'm going to choose this one. Let's check his description. So his name is Mike, and he's got a lot of sales, 261 sales. And this is his description, a very good or decent description. It's a brief, short description. I'm a digital marketing consultant, and I'm Google AdWords certified and a Microsoft Bing pay-per-click professional, and I've worked with a wide range of clients in retail, insurance, finance, local services, and many other sectors. My other skills include copywriting and sales letter writing, work experience summary, Google AdWords professional, qualified May 2007, company furniture sale 365, description, we did SEO work for the clients for 5 months. It included link building and social bookmarking and on-page optimization, education summary, professional diploma marketing. So this is a very decent description. You can take this one as your inspiration, and after, go to your profile here and click on the edit. Then you will be able to change everything in your profile. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.